Hello everyone, my name is Nimish Singh. I study in class 3B. Today I am going to show you all a great science experiment using balloons. The material required are a cardboard piece, some drawing pins and 2 balloons. Take an inflate balloon and tie it off. Next, take a pin like this and place it on the table and see what happens. As expected, the balloon pops straight away. And next, I'm going to take a whole handful of pins and lay them out flat like this. Take your other balloon and try doing the same thing again. This time you can push the balloon down onto the pins, but it won't burst. This is because the pressure is now distributed on lots of pins, and the pressure on each pin is too small to burst the balloon. Thank you.